This is the Uno Jackpot game, and it is just as much fun as you might think. So first off, you can pull the jackpot lever and it's going to spin, and you have your own wild cards, but you also have all these other options that are going to come up. Now you can take a group of your cards and place them into the back of the Uno spin jackpot, just like that. And now when you spin and you need to hit a question, boom, you get one of your cards. Pretty neat. So it's the Uno Jackpot. It goes along great with any of the Uno games you're going to play. It has its own cards, and you can make up some of your own rules with it as well. So much fun. Oh, no batteries. It works right out of the box. No batteries, just some springs and clever design. Uno Jackpot.